Na-try mo na bang kumain ng maki? How about dim sum and clay pot dishes? In this video, ito naman ang na-try kong kainin and dito lang to sa Royal Panda Dim Sum and Noodle House. So halika guys, samahan nyo ako. Welcome to Royal Panda Dim Sum and Noodle House na located dito sa Holy Spirit Drive sa Don Antonio Heights. Maliit lang ang restaurant na to, pero malinis at maganda ang interior at lighting nila with panda painting sa kanilang walls, which is kasama sa kanilang brand name. Pag upo namin sa assigned table sa amin, nakita ko agad ang mga plates, cups at spoon and fork na gagamitin na naka-sealed and sanitized. And sinervan agad kami ng free hot tea and appetizer na kropek. Check naman natin ang kanilang menu. Meron ditong iba't ibang klaseng dim sums like mga all-time favorites na siopaw, siomai, hakaw, at marami pang iba. Meron din silang noodle soup at noodles which is good for 3 to 4 persons. By the way, I highly recommend their maki mi. They also have congee, soups, chicken, beef, and pork dishes which is good for 2 to 3 persons. These dishes comes in different sauces and ingredients like vegetables and some with mushrooms. They also have seafood, clay pot rice, and just add 50 pesos to add drinks. And I recommend their fish fillet bean curd on rice. They also have assorted vegetable dishes if you love veggies. Kung mahilig ka sa vegetables, tiyak na ma-enjoy mo dahil marami sila nito. Marami kang pwedeng pagpilian. Of course, they have different types of fried rice, but I recommend their delicious yang chow. The fried rice is good for 2 to 3 persons except the plain rice. They also have different beverages like black gulaman, hot tea, flavored teas, juices, and beer. They also have desserts like buko pandan, mango sago, coffee jelly, and more. So, dumating na yung first dish na in-order namin, which is fish fillet bean curd on rice. Look how delicious it is and may special black bean sauce din siya sa dish and veggies. I think this order is good for 1 to 2 persons. So, depende sa appetite ng kakain. But since may iba pa kaming order, magsha-share kami ni hubby. Malaki din ang serving ng dish na to. And if isa ka lang nakakain, talagang mabubusog ka and hindi ka mabibitin dito. So, nakalagay nga ang dish na to sa isang clay pot. And ayan nga yung tofu niya. They have big chunks of tofu. And of course, yung masarap na tausi sauce and fish fillet, which is perfect sa plain rice. Next naman ay ang second order namin, which is the maki. It's a noodle dish with fish fillet in a very thick sauce. First time ko makatikim ng maki and I would say na nasarapan at nagustuhan ko siya and I would also highly recommend it. So, ayan nga yung noodles niya which is very firm and freshly made. And yung sauce ng maki is very thick. And first time ko ngang matry itong dish na to and nasarapan ako sa kanya. So tara guys, samahan nyo kaming kumain. Cheers! Nag-enjoy at nasarapan naman kami sa dining experience namin with Royal Panda. By the way, alanganing oras din kasi kami kumain, that's why kami lang ang customer. Kasi late lunch na yung kain namin eh. So the restaurant is clean and hygienic. And if you want a quick bite of Chinese food, I really recommend this restaurant. Price point, it's just average. And sakto yung presyo niya at ang serving ng food is marami din and hindi bitin. If I will rate Royal Panda, it's 8 out of 10. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more food reviews. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!